How to transfer money from RBC to TD Bank account. The first thing you want to do is open the RBC app, although this can also be done on your computer with a similar process. Once you have the app open, go to the bottom right where you'll see the Move Money option. From there, you'll have several options for transferring money, but you want to click Send and then select Interac e-transfer. After that, choose the account you want the money to come from, enter the amount you want to send, and select the contact you want to send the money to. You'll then need to notify the recipient, which you can do via email, SMS, or both. Once you've chosen the option, click Done. Scroll down a little, and you'll be prompted to create a security question and answer that only you and your recipient can answer. This may not be required if your recipient has registered for auto deposit. You can also add a message if you want. After reviewing everything and making sure you're happy with it, click Send. The money will be sent, and you can finish the transaction by clicking the Finish button at the bottom. That's how you transfer money from RBC to TD Bank. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. And